If you're moving from Michigan to New York, you'll need to switch your driver's license within 30 days of becoming a New York resident. Let me walk you through how to do that. First, check your current Michigan license. It needs to have your photo, still be valid or expired for less than 2 years, and must have been issued at least 6 months ago. If the issue date isn't printed on the license, you'll need to get a certified driving record from Michigan. Without that, you'll have to apply for a brand new New York license instead of just switching it over. Now, head to a New York DMV office. This can't be done online. You'll also want to decide whether you want a standard, enhanced, or real ID license. Each one has different benefits, especially for things like air travel, so take a minute to figure out which one fits your needs best. To save time, you can use the DMV's online pre-screening tool before visiting. You'll need to make a NY DMV account if you don't already have one. This tool helps you know exactly which documents to bring based on the license type you choose. Alternatively, you can use the DMV document guide for the same purpose. When you go to the DMV, you'll need to pass a vision test or bring a completed vision form from an eye doctor. Bring your Michigan license with you because you'll have to hand it over. Also, take documents that prove your identity and New York residency. Then you'll pay the license fee, which depends on your age and the type of license. Before you leave the office, they'll give you a temporary paper license. Your official license will arrive by mail, usually within 2 weeks. That's how you change your DMV license from Michigan to New York. Thanks for watching.